In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check eligibility and get approved for a Monzo loan. First, open your Monzo app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and that the app is up to date so all the borrowing features load correctly. From the home screen, head to the borrowing area in the app. That's where you'll see the option to explore loans, learn about rates, and start the process. Next, check your eligibility. Monzo offers an eligibility check that usually uses a soft search, which means it won't affect your credit score. This step helps you understand whether you're likely to be approved before you apply. Follow the prompts in the app and take a moment to read any notes about how they assess your profile. If you're not eligible right now, don't worry. This can change over time as your circumstances evolve. If you're eligible, choose your loan amount and term. Use the sliders or fields in the app to select how much you want to borrow and over how long. As you adjust the amount and term, the app will show your estimated monthly repayments and the total you'll pay back. Shorter terms usually mean higher monthly payments but less interest overall, while longer terms reduce each payment but can increase the total cost. Pick an option that fits comfortably within your monthly budget. After that, confirm your income details. Enter accurate information about your regular income and pay frequency, as this is used to assess affordability. Double check everything before continuing. Being truthful here helps Monzo make a fair decision and keeps your agreement compliant with the terms. Now, Monzo runs its checks and gives an instant decision in most cases. Behind the scenes, they're looking at credit history and affordability to ensure the loan is responsible and suitable. If a decision appears right away, you'll see it on screen. If not, the app will let you know what's next. Finally, review and accept the agreement. Read the summary carefully, including the interest rate, monthly repayment amount, total amount payable, and any fees or early repayment information. Make sure you understand what happens if you miss a payment and how to contact support if you need help later. When everything looks good, confirm your acceptance in the app. Funds are typically paid into your Monzo account, and you can manage repayments from the same borrowing section, with reminders and a clear schedule to keep you on track. And that's it. Open the app, check eligibility, choose your amount and term, confirm your income, get the decision, and review and accept.